all objective questions related to ABM, BFM and retail. Okay. So firstly, I would suggest download this Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. Also join Officers Adda YouTube channel on the on YouTube basically. In this app, you'll be getting the study material, video lectures, notes, live classes, you name it and you have it. Okay. So do that first. And this series is going on Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So subscribe to this and also importantly click on that bell icon. Okay. See here we are running this 80% off scheme for Raksha Bandhan. Okay. So it's a limited offer. Use this code Y432 on purchase of any of the products. You'll be getting the 80% discount. Okay. This batch is going on right now. BFM, ABM and retail. Join this batch ASAP. I'll come on this later. So let's start with the MCQ series. Yeah. We'll basically be covering it this time value of money. Okay. So a single cash flow in a specified future time is called as single cash flow. Okay. What are the two types of cash flows in any time value of money? The two types of cash flows are, one is, see this, always remember, one is lump sum, and second one is annuity, right? Annuity, always remember this. And annuity is of two types now. Which one? Due, and second is ordinary, isn't it? Remember JAIIB also you have done the same thing, right? So due and ordinary. Due is what? Beginning of the period. Beginning, that is due, and end is ordinary. Okay. There are various formulas for this. We have covered this in our earlier lectures also. So remember, these cash flows are of two types basically, lump sum and annuity. Okay. So what is the question? A single cash flow. Single means what? What do you say? Now that is a question to you. Lump sum, annuities, perpetuities and growing annuities. Which one? What do you think? Just now I have answered this. A, B, C or D. Click fast. Yes, it is A, right? Lump sum. Because annuity means this. What is annuity basically? What is the definition of annuity? It's a regular payments, number one. End period is known, number two. And regular intervals, number three. These 3 points are very important for annuities. Okay. Perpetuity is what? Perpetuity is annuity only, but infinite annuity. There is no end period to this annuity, and then it's called as perpetuity. Growing annuity means it's annuity only, but it's growing at a constant rate year after year. Okay. Got this point everyone? Move on. Yeah. The process in which the present cash flows are converted into its expected future value is called as. Now see this. What are we doing actually? Present. What is the question? Look at this. Present to future. We are converting present cash flows to future value. To future. So that is called as what? See here, there are two things over here in any time value of money. Present to future is called as compounding. Compound. Okay. And reverse one. Reverse means future to present. So that is called as discount. Okay. Discounting. Remember this? Discounting, ing. I have not added over here. We'll add that also. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Done. So what is the answer for this? The process in which present cash flow is converted into expected future value. So that is discounting, compounding, balancing, any of the above. Which one? Fast. Yes. Fast. Type in the comment section. Yeah, the answer is B, compounding. Firstly, I would suggest download this, like this video. Everyone, whoever is watching, like this video. Why? Because if the number of likes and number of views are matching, then the buffering of this video is correct. Okay. So like this video ASAP. The process in which the future cash flows converted into expected present value is called as. Now what is that? It's reverse one, right? Earlier it was compounding, so now it will be discounting. Just now I showed you. Future to present is called as discounting. Got it? The value of rupee 1 to be received in future. Value today. This word is important. Value today of rupee 1 to be received in future is called as present value, compound factor, discount factor, yield factor. So what is the answer? Type fast. A, B, C or D? Fast. I'll answer you in the comment section. Yeah, the correct answer is discount factor, or some books write it discounting factor. One and the same. Okay. What is discounting factor? It is the value of rupee 1 that I'll be receiving in future So the present value of that rupee 1 which I'll be receiving in future means what, I'll explain you. See here. Suppose if today we are at this point now, okay. Let's say after 3 years, okay, I'll be receiving, let's say rupee 1 rupee I'll be receiving, okay, after 3 years. And let's say the inflation is 8%, not 8%, let's consider simple one, or let's say 8%, not an issue, okay. 8% per year, 8%, okay, 8 and 8, okay, we are considering it constant. Now what will happen? See here, if I receive rupee 1 after 3 years and this is the inflation rate, what does it mean? For present, if I want to calculate the value of this rupee 1 for present, what is the worth of that rupee 1 now? So what will I have to do? I'll have to discount this, remove this 8%, this 8% is eating up my rupee 1. So I'll have to discount it and it will come down something to roughly 0.68 or 7, isn't it? So that's called as discounting factor, okay. Remember this. The value today of rupee 1 to be received in future is called as discounting factor, okay. Discount factor is denoted by which of the following? So discounting factor means discounting or discount, one and the same thing. So it is denoted by what? A, B, C or D. 1 upon 1 plus R raised to N, or a 1 upon 1 minus R into R. 1 into 1 minus R, or 1. So what is the correct one? Correct, right? Answer is A. 1 upon, it's like this, 1 upon 1 plus R raised to N, right? That is called as the discounting factor. So before going ahead, see, this batch has already started on August 8th, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. We are covering all the objective questions, numericals, case studies related to ABM, BFM and retail. So join this as fast as possible and use this code Y432. Remember this Raksha Bandhan sale which is going on for today, okay, today and tomorrow. So use as much as possible. Grab this opportunity, 80% off. Use the code Y432, okay. Let's move on. Present value equals to present value minus required investment equals to, so what is that called as? Present value minus required investment. So that is called as discounted factor, compounded value, net present value and future value. What is the correct answer? Yes. Everyone. Okay, I'll explain you that first. NPV, we had studied something in JAIIB also. NPV and IRR, right? Two words we had studied, right? Internal rate of return and net present value, right? These two values we had studied. NPV means what? Whatever, suppose if I am investing, let's say 1 lakh rupees, okay, and in future I am getting, let's say 40,000 every year, 40k every year for, let's say 5 years, into 5 years. So what is my NPV? I'll have to discount these future values, okay, bring it to the present value and then subtract my investment from here. So what am I doing? Present value of all these investments minus this required investment is my, yes, so answer is C, net present value. Anyone remembers what was the NPV rule? If NPV is greater than 0, then we'll accept the project. If it is equal to 0, then the value is called as IRR, that rate of interest. And if it is less than 0, then the project is to be rejected, isn't it? So remember, kindly refresh these all theorems and axioms and ideas again, okay, because they are required in CAIIB, okay. Xavier is expecting a cash flow of rupees 10 lakh at the end of 1 year at 8% discount rate. What is the present value? Okay. So what do you mean by this? This is today and he is expecting 1 lakh, okay, after 1 year, and this rate, inflation rate is 8%. So what have we to do? We have to find the present value of that 1 lakh. So what have we to do? We have to get the discounting factor, right? So use this compound interest formula. A equals to P into 1 plus R raised to N, right? What do we want? We want P. Why? Because A is what? A is what we get it at the end. See here, no, it's not 1 lakh, it's 10 lakh, okay? 10 lakh over here. So A is what? Whatever I get at the end. And P is what? Whatever I invest today. So I want P. What is my present value? So P equals to A upon this part goes down. So 10 upon 1.08 raised to 1 means what? 1.08 only. So divide 10 upon 1.08 and you will get the answer as 9.25. So roughly the answer will be here. what's important in CAIIB is not all these last figures. First three figures are very important in CAIIB. So 9.25. So roughly this answer will be C. Okay. Next one. Ramya is expecting a cash flow of rupees 1 lakh at the end of each year for next 4 years. At 8% discount rate, what is the investments here? Earlier problem was for lump sum and this problem is for annuity because she is expecting each year. Each year means every year she will be getting 1 lakh after 4 years. So now what formula which we will have to use here? End. End means it's an ordinary annuity. Remember? So ordinary annuity formula. What is the ordinary annuity formula? Formula, see this, C into, right? Remember anyone? 1 plus R raised to n minus 1 the whole upon R into 1 plus R raised to n, right? This is the present value formula for annuity, ordinary annuity, right? I'll write it over here, P ordinary. So that is ordinary annuity present value formula. C is what we get each year. So 1 lakh I am getting, so 1 lakh here I have written the same formula over here. 1 lakh into 1 plus R. R is what? 8%. Here it's annual, that's why no dividing, nothing, okay? 1.08 raised to 4 raised to n minus 1, right? The whole upon R into 1 plus R raised to n. Same thing comes down, okay? So solve this now. See here, 1.08 raised to 4 is what? 1.36. 1.36 minus 1, okay, upon this 0.08 as it is, and this is 1.36. So this becomes 0.36. You do the calculations. 0.36 upon 0.08 upon 1.36. You will get it as 3.30 lakhs. Roughly. See here, plus or minus figures, that's okay. But 3.30 lakhs, okay. So she has to invest 3.30 lakhs now at 8% discount rate so that she gets 1 lakh at the end of each year for next 4 years. So that's the logic, okay. That's called as ordinary annuity. Okay, so before closing this, I'll show you how to go about this, how to use this code Y432 actually on Adda 24/7 website, okay. So let's go to Adda 24/7 website. I'll show you live, okay. Okay, Adda 24/7, let me show you live. Okay, let's go live on this site. One sec. Yep. Yeah, see here, we are on Adda 24 website, right? On this website, go on the front page. On the front page itself, see this JAIIB and CAIIB. You'll click this JAIIB and CAIIB. You'll see two offers over here. One is JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack, and second is November December English batch. You can click any one, but I would always suggest go for this Mahapack. I'll show you how to go about this Mahapack and use this code. Okay. In Mahapack, what is Mahapack actually? It's a OTT. Have you, anyone of you might be having this Hotstar or this Netflix subscriptions? So what is that subscription? You subscribe once and whatever comes, whatever serial or whatever series comes after that, for that limited period, you are able to see everything. Same thing over here. If you take the Mahapack, this English batch plus bilingual batch plus many other batches would be coming in next 6 months. So all would be visible to you. All the study material would be available to you. Okay, so go for this Mahapack. I'll show you how to go. So click on this Mahapack. Once you click on this, see this. You'll see these offers over here. Mahapack, JAIIB, CAIIB ka Mahapack. Okay, you'll see the fees is huge, 45,499. You'll say, okay, not an issue. See, click on this. Once you click on this, see this. You clicked over here. Now you'll get the details of this Mahapack. See, what are the details? What are you getting in this? I'll come to this fees later. How to remove, reduce this fees. See, 4 plus hours of 4 plus live batches of ABM, 3 plus live batches for BFM retail, 3 batches of BFM, 4 batches of ABM means what? 500 plus case studies. So you can read this. Everything you'll be getting. And importantly, look at the fees part now. See this. Fees part. See this. Click on view offers. Once you click on view offers, what are you seeing over here? See this. Use the code Y432. What is the code I gave you? Y432. Use it. Click on apply. Now see the offer. See this. 80% off. So now the fee is reduced from 45,449 to 9,089. 9,000 only. Right? 9,089 is the fees you are getting. And when you clear CAIIB, In how many months are you recovering this? 9,000. Roughly minimum increment which you are getting after CAIIB is 1,000, right? So 1 into 9, 9 months you'll be recovering everything, and whatever you get later is yours throughout your life. So, and in this Mahapack, you are getting almost 4 to 5 batches study material. So go for it. Why? What are you waiting for? It's an investment for lifetime. Okay, I'll come back tomorrow with another series. Okay, till then, bye. Keep studying.